I mentioned this before. What happens if someone freezes? If you have not drilled, planned, trained for, or even if you have, there are instances where you will encounter something so horrific, so unexpected, so severe that your brain does not know how to comprehend it. And you won't know that this can happen to you until it does. You can have all the training in the world and still freeze because you've never actually experienced this. So freezing does happen, and it's not a sign of weakness. It's not a sign of anything. It is simply reality. But you need to know how to deal with it, and your team needs to know how to deal with it. In the medical responder classes I've taken or been a part of, and EMTs, you're working as a team with a group. If someone freezes and somebody else sees it, you can do something about it and even bump them out if you have to. If you experience something that is shocking and you don't know what to do about it, it's acceptable to panic, but don't let that hamper you. Don't let that be the end. Give yourself 10 seconds. Let yourself panic. Let yourself freeze up, not know what to do. Let your brain process this and then get back to work. If you can't get over it after 10 seconds and you see this happening to somebody, bump them out of the way. But if you're the person getting bumped, understand that it's not someone trying to intrude on your mission, trying to say you're not capable, you're not adequate. It is simply them watching out for the greater good. They're trying to get the mission accomplished. They're trying to help this patient who's dying, and let yourself get bumped out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of interfering with the response. Recover, and once you've recovered, get back in there and help out. Don't take it personally. It's not meant to be personal if you get bumped. And if you bump someone out, be polite about it. Just say, just move over here. Here's the clipboard. I'm gonna step in right now. And that way, you're able to help the person that needs the help the most.